have made a project, the distance measuring system. In this system, yet this is very simple but very useful in today's daily life. This system basically shows how microcontroller, Arduino UNO and ultrasonic sensor together can help us in measuring the distance. Now, Hemant will tell us about the components used in this project.
We have used several components in our project like ultrasonic sensor for measuring the distance and Arduino UNO as microcontroller of our project and 16x2 LCD display for displaying the results of distance measured by ultrasonic sensor and the breadboard and jumper wires for connections. Now Udit tells how it works.
Firstly, the ultrasonic sensors send the ultrasonic waves to the object, then it bounces back. Then it bounces back to the ultrasonic sensor, then it gives data to the microcontroller and then it displays to the screen.
So it once.
This project has many advantages in real life, such as it is very compact design, it is low cost and so friendly to the users, and it is very useful in measuring many things in our daily work. Now I request him to tell us about the applications of this project in daily work.
It can be used in several applications in daily life like measuring the height of a flight in mid-air and can be used in a car parking system. Now they tell us.
Thank you.